In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fall Guys missing files on Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting the pop-up indicating that you have missing files necessary for the game to run when you play it through Steam, this is because usually you are either missing one of the critical files for the game to function correctly, or you have an outdated version of a tool needed to run the game. So what I would recommend is first do some simple fixes. So go over to Steam, right click Fall Guys on your library, select properties, and in here you will be able to go over to installed files and finally verify the integrity of the game files. As the name suggests, what this is going to do is scan all the files that Fall Guys installed on your computer, and if it detects that any of them are missing or corrupted, they are going to be re-downloaded through Steam. By downloading these necessary files, you will then be able to open the game as usual. If this doesn't work, you also have the option of completely reinstalling the game. I know for a lot of people that is not possible because they have slow internet, so it would take a while, but it is still a very effective method of addressing any issues. So I would still recommend this if the other method that I'm still going to show you in this video doesn't work, so consider reinstalling the game if you can. Now, if you want to try something else before moving on to uninstalling it and then re-downloading, I would suggest downloading the latest version of Visual C++. Like I said, this is an external tool necessary for the game to run, so look for Visual C++ on the Microsoft website, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to download it here. So look for this file, VC Redistributable or Redist x64. Download the exe file, run it, and you are going to get prompted with this installer. Now, I already have Visual C++ installed, and if you do, you might get prompted with an error. So what you have to do first is uninstall Visual C++ and run the installer after it is done. Afterwards, try running Fall Guys and you should be able to play as long as you reinstall Visual C++, alongside verifying the integrity of the game files. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fall Guys missing files on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.